It's Niners.
Yeah, 093.
Oh, left engine. Houston Center, line 3 in November. We have an engine out in our hold here.
Line 3 November, roger.
All right. 093. Identify dead foot, dead engine, left foot, dead, left engine. Verify left engine. Double verify. All right, let's try and troubleshoot. Do you want to go through the
troubleshooting checklist?
Yeah.
Sure. All right. Both set to mains. Carb heat check. Mixture, props, throttles, fuel pump, left engine. And that's got it. We'll warm it up at 15 here just so it doesn't go back around. How does that sound?
Yep.
How are we doing? We don't want to overwork our right engine. I'm going to give it a little bit of cooling there. Just set it nice and low.
All right. How are we doing in the hold?
Line 3 November, when able, direct Baton Rouge. How you guys doing?
Direct Baton Rouge, we've got the engine restarted, 3 on November.
Roger, sir.
1161.